Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix live wallpapers not working on iPhone. Live wallpapers add a dynamic appearance to the background of any iPhone. This enhances the look and brings a positive feeling while using the iPhone. However, we have seen that recently many iPhone users started complaining about an issue on their iPhones where the live wallpaper is not working. So for this, I'll tell you how can you fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first thing you should go for turn off low power mode option. So for this, launch the settings app from your iPhone home screen, tap on it and then scroll down and select the battery option from the settings menu. Tap on battery and then you will see low power mode is on. So you need to disable it by clicking on its toggle switch and you are done. And the next step is disable the reduce motion setting. Launch the settings menu on your iPhone and then search for accessibility option from the settings menu and then tap on it. Now click on the motion menu. Turn off the reduce motion option by clicking on its toggle button and you are done. And the next step is enable 3D touch settings. First of all, you have to launch the settings page on your iPhone. And after the settings page is launched, scroll down and choose the accessibility option from the settings menu. Tap on it and then tap on touch option. Now you have to choose haptic touch option by clicking on it. Make sure you have selected the fast option from the list available and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue if your live wallpaper is not working on iPhone. Also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.